Okay, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and do a manual article post. We're going to do it in the area rug cleaning equipment, and we're going to monetize it. So however you want to get the content, normally I would use I need articles and order the article for it. You can use your content that you got, okay, in the cleaning niche pack, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to find the best post that would work for this the keyword category. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find the correct one. Well, I'm just going to use the steam cleaning or steam carpet cleaning equipment. Okay, so we're going to use this to build our custom post for this category. So in my software, I'm going to go ahead and open up the WordPress poster, select my site. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select the category. Okay, and now I'm going to start building the post. I'm going to click Launch Editor. And what I recommend, until you get comfortable with how to optimize the content, okay, this is really good to use, really easy to use, because you can just come in here, put in your content. If you know how to optimize your keywords in the content, use this. Okay, but what I recommend, if you are just not sure yet, go ahead and do it within your site. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a new post. And the reason I'm telling you is because we have tools that's going to help you optimize the content. Okay, and then after you get used to it, you can just use our poster. It's a lot faster. Okay, let's just go ahead and grab our title. We're going to come down and paste that into here also. You can also use Vibe if you want. Okay, if you use the ANM SEO, make sure you come down and check. Okay, and then we'll update. Make sure we are selecting the correct categories also. Okay, so let's start putting in our content. Okay, so I'm taking my content and paste it in there. Now you'll see that you'll have these lines here, and we have to take those out probably. Okay, so that they're line breaks. Just so that we have the formatting correctly. Whoops. Okay. Now we need to take the summary or description. We'll come back in and paste it here. Okay, it's not required that you use, but it does help. You want to make sure your main keyword is in the title and in the summary or the description. Okay. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to adjust our content to fit our keyword. Okay, our keyword is the category, so area rug cleaning equipment. So we need to adjust our content to reflect that keyword. Okay, we're going to adjust our title and put it in the adjust our keywords within our content. So our first keyword adjustment is going to be right here in the first paragraph. Okay, so we adjusted the cleaning equipment or carpet cleaning equipment to area rug cleaning equipment. Now we need to come back down and put this in our description that we have down here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be our first keyword. We're going to go ahead and bold that. This is going to be the main keyword. We have other keywords, but this is going to be the main keyword that we're going to optimize this post for. Okay, so I'm going to modify the content down here, and I'm going to replace that with our keyword. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in italics. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put our keyword here also, and I'm going to underline this. Okay. Okay, so I just fixed the word house here, pasted the keyword here. And what I'll do is just go ahead and we're going to put a link. Okay, we're going to use this as a link back to our home page. So we're going to click that and just put it back to our home page here. Okay, let's go ahead and put our now what we can do here is link this to another our home page also, or we will link it to a product. Okay. Okay. What we'll do is go ahead and update this, or click on save draft. We need to update our keyword down here as well, which I forgot to do. Okay, so let's scroll down. Update that. Update that as well. Update as well. Okay, let's come down to our tags. Okay, we'll add that as a tag. We're also going to feature this. So I'm going to call it a featured and add. Okay, we're going to come back in and add our keyword as an H1. We'll add as H2 and H3. Oops. Okay. Now when you're doing this, okay, you can blend this in, meaning you can put content behind it or in front of it. You just want to make sure that you have the H1, H2, and H3 tags within the content. Okay, so let's go ahead and update this by clicking Save Draft. Okay, so you can see our score coming back up on the ANM SEO. If you scroll down here to the Vibe SEO, we're doing pretty good. We need to add our images. Okay, so what I'm doing, I just went to Amazon and did a search for area rug cleaners or portable carpet cleaners. And so what I'm going to do is grab some images. I'm just going to click on one of the products. Okay, I'm going to right click on an image. Actually, I'm just going to click on that image. And here I will right click and save image as, and we'll put this in our images folder. Okay, so I'm going to grab a couple more. Okay, so we've got a couple of images. We're going to go back to our post. One thing we're going to do, well, let's go ahead and put an image within the content. So I'm going to click on Add Media. Okay, so I'm going to add an image. So let's just say we're going to click on this one. Okay, now we'll start uploading, and what we need to pay attention to is all these other images are from ANM. Okay, so what we're going to do, we don't want to put the full size image in. Okay, so we're going to choose alignment left, and we're going to go ahead and go with the medium size or the thumbnail. Probably use the thumbnail in this this situation. So we're going to insert into post. Okay, now what we need to do is click on this image and choose the edit. Alt text needs to be our keyword. We're going to click update. Okay, we're going to scroll down and we're going to set our featured image. So we'll go ahead and upload. Yeah, we'll use that image. You use whatever you want. And we will set this as our featured image. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is come down here and I'm going to go ahead and put in another image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this right and insert into post. Now I don't know why, but I forgot to put in the alt text when I did that. You can do it right when you upload the image. Okay, update. Alright, let's go ahead and publish this. Now one thing we need to do is we need to change our we need to add into our title. Okay, so in this case we need to change this from area rug cleaning equipment because it's the same name as our category, so we need to make our title something a little bit different. So you can update it to whatever you want. I'm just going to put what is the well, I meant to put best. Okay, with question mark. So we'll update that. Go ahead and click update. Okay, now we need to change our permalink, and we should have done this at the very first, but I forgot. So we're going to click edit. Okay, we're going to reset our permalink. So what is the okay, and we're going to click OK, and we will update this one more. What happened to our keyword in our H? Oh, I forgot, and we spun it again. I forgot to turn the spinning off for this, so we need to do that. Okay, we need to make sure and check our images to make sure the alt text did not get spun, which it probably did. No, it didn't. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so let's go ahead and update this again. Okay, let's see. I think we are. This is up there. Okay, I just actually made a mistake, but it's in there now. Okay, so we're looking pretty good. This is what we want. Now we're going to click on or hover our mouse over this. We're going to right click and we're going to copy link location. Okay, copy that link, and now we're going to right click again and open in a new tab. Okay, now we have a good SEO optimized page here. Alright, we'll get comments on it also. We're going to monetize this here in just a second, but let's take care of something else real quick. Okay, so what we're going to do is go back and click on all post. Let's just update one more time just to make sure. So we'll go to all post here. And what we're going to do here is where it says view all categories, we're going to filter to this category, okay? To the one we just put the article in. So we're just going to do a quick search. Okay, so here's our post that we just added. We're going to click on quick edit. Okay, what we're going to do is make this a sticky so it sticks at the top. Okay, we're also going to add another category to this, so we're going to add the area rug cleaning. Okay, so we're going to update that. So back on, we're going to go to home and just reload this. Okay, you'll see that our featured is here. Okay, and we'll end up with two more featured posts that go across the top up here. Okay, now if we were to click on this category, area rug cleaning equipment, and on the last thing, we don't need to make it sticky because we have it stuck up here in the featured area. Okay, so what we need to do is go back to our site, and we're going to go to rank reporter, and we're going to go to add keywords. So we're going to type in our keyword. Okay, we're going to paste in the URL that we have copied to our clipboard. Okay, here's the URL to it, and we're going to add it to the reporter. Okay, we're going to confirm and add it. You'll start seeing your keywords and the URLs that you're going to be trying to rank on your site, and you'll start building them here. Okay, and this will track your ranking. Let's go and monetize our new post. Okay, so here's our new post, and what we're going to do is we have our Amazon Publisher Studio. We're going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, we can go ahead and do this image. So we're going to we'll do carpet cleaners, and yeah, we'll do that. I'll click go. And I would like to find the Bissell Big Green. So what I might do is do another search with that appended on the end of it. So here's our machine. Okay, what's good is it puts a nice pop-up right here. We can do the same thing here. And I'm going to choose a different brand or a different model. Okay, I'm going to do my keywords here. If you get a notice that says it can't add it, okay, what you need to do is just we'll refresh this page, and then we'll be able to add it. Okay, so I'm going to add that link. Highlight that. We'll link that to a product. Okay, let's go and get a different brand. We'll come down to our commercial. Let's go ahead and link this. Okay, all right, so we have this monetized. So what we can do is refresh this. Okay, now if you have a user that gets on this, okay, it's going to present a nice pop-up for this image, and you're going to get a lot of clicks on these guys. I promise. I do. I sell a lot of products from Amazon using this. So again, we have another one. Okay, now as soon as they go shop right now, this is linked to your affiliate link. Okay, so are all these text links. Okay, so we have a good SEO optimized article, okay, within our silo structure. I don't even like using the word silo, but within our structure here, that is monetized. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.